organizer and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube videos and blog posts, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. During the course of 5 days, you will receive an email from me which will give you tips and suggestions on how to live a company-ready home at all times. So as a video, or the title of this video suggests, I just recently published my second and third life planner. Yes, I'm so excited about these planners. These are the Undated Divine Life and Home Planner and the 2024 Divine Life and Home Planner. I'm so excited about these planners. So the undated version does not have dates, so you can start them and stop them at any time, any month, whether it's a calendar month, a fiscal year month, or a school month. Basically, you have free range to do however you want to do it. I'm not personally a undated planner person. I kind of like to stick to a calendar. So I will be using the 2024 Divine Life and Home Planner. The first benefit of using this planner is that it's basically an easy way to manage your home, or as we call it, home management. This planner gives you the tips and suggestions and tools to help manage your home in addition to being a regular planner. Smart Goal Mastery. So your Divine Life and Home Planner has a section designed for setting smart goals. Your smart goals will actually help you achieve your goals by giving you the tips and suggestions on how to identify your goal and then ways you can achieve them. So I love this planner because it has a section for 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 9 month, and even 1 year goals. So let this planner help yourself to set smart goals. Financial well-being. This planner has monthly sections for your bills, in addition to like your monthly bill pay. Now there is one page that I really love. This is where you can put, or you can list all of your bills that you pay each month. It's like a checklist, and you can just put your bills, maybe it's electricity, cable, water, Netflix. And then when you open it up and you see that page, you can just check mark if that one particular bill has been paid. So I use that page, and then I also use the monthly page where you actually break down each bill, how much money you brought in, how much money you spent, and then how much money you're saving. So I love that this planner has a section for that, and it's actually incorporated in the month. One of my favorite things is the weekly declutter challenge. Now the weekly declutter challenge is a way that you can help declutter your entire home just by doing one small thing a week. For example, this week it's makeup. So you're supposed to look through your makeup, whether it's your makeup bag, your makeup drawers, under the kitchen cabinet, well, not kitchen cabinet, maybe the bathroom cabinet, and find your makeup. And you're supposed to look at it and actually do an assessment. Determine if those makeup items are old, expired, unused, or whatever, and toss them. Declutter all those unwanted makeups. So the declutter challenge incorporates all those tiny tidbit bite-sized pieces into a year-long process, and at the end of the year you have developed tips and strategies to keep your home decluttered, and it's in the planner. Meal planning. So I may not meal prep as much as I meal plan, but I like to have a mental thought of what my meals are going to be, whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, and or snacks. So this section has a section, or this planner has a section, so you can actually help yourself meal plan. Because when you have your meal plan in your head, when you go into the grocery store, you know exactly what you need to buy. Whether it's Taco Tuesdays or Hamburger Wednesdays, you'll know if you need to buy buns, if you need to buy taco shells, whatever, because you already looked at the planner and you see, okay, on these days I'm making these meals, which means on this day I need to go to the grocery store to get a certain item. One page I really like, or pages I really like, is a yearly overview. This is good when you're planning your vacations, if you're planning birthday parties, if you're planning any type of events. You just want to open it up and see like, hey, what's going on in April? Is something big happening in April? Maybe you already have something scheduled for April. Maybe you're having dental surgery, so you may not want to plan something like a big otherwise vacation during that same week. So instead of having to go through each month and each one month, you can look at your yearly overview and see what you need. So I do love my yearly overview pages. Now, I mentioned before that the planner this year comes in an undated version and also a dated version. So if you're someone that wants to use a strictly Monday, or not Monday, but January through December calendar, then bam, the 2024 planner is perfect for you. If you are a school teacher, or if you are just getting into the planner phase a little bit later than in a year, or maybe you want to start a little bit earlier, then go ahead and get the undated version. And then all you have to do is just hand write the dates that you want. Or you can actually buy stickers. I will link below some stickers that I found for the Divine Home Life Planner that you can actually use and put on your planner if you don't want to handwrite them. Inspirational motivations. One of my favorite things about this planner is the periodic inspiration motivation quotes that are printed throughout the planner. One of my favorite ones is from lifestyle influencer Maddie James, and this is it, and I'll read it for you. It says, if you want to change the world, you must first change the time you wake up. That is something very important. So even if you want to just wake up 30 minutes earlier each night than you normally do, you can do a lot in 30 minutes. So throughout the planner, there are tons of motivational quotes. Now there's another motivational quote that I added for this planner that I have not used before, and you may or may not have heard this quote before, but I will read it. It says, there are only 4 rules you need to remember. Make the plan. Execute the plan. Expect the plan to go off the rails, and throw away the plan. And that's from Leonard Snart. If you are a DC follower, you know exactly who that is. And I thought that was just really fun. So once again, I love the various inspirational quotes that are throughout this planner. By purchasing the planner, you're invited to join my exclusive Facebook community. I have a Facebook group where we share information about home decor, organizing, and definitely decluttering. So the decluttering challenge, we discussed that in detail in the Facebook group. So if you have not joined the Facebook group, please join it. And purchasing your planner, it goes hand in hand with the Facebook group. So if you have a question about something that you want to declutter, or just an organizing question or idea, you would just simply post it in a group and then I will answer it. Last and definitely not least, we have a section in the planner for a monthly evaluation. So at the end of the month, you can do a reflection to see what worked or what didn't work, how much money you saved, or things that you need to work on. So this is a great way to recap your month and then also appreciate what you've done, and then also address what you may need to do moving forward. So that is it. I'm so excited about my 2 planners that were released, the 2024 Divine Life and Home Planner and the Undated Divine Life and Home Planner. Both can be purchased on Amazon, Etsy, my online shop, and a few select small amount of bookstores in the DFW Metroplex. If you're interested in purchasing a planner, please check out the description in the description box below with information about finding the planner on Amazon or my online shop. And also, if you do, please leave a review. I would love to know your experience with the planner as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting this channel, and have a fine day.